Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome here. I am back here again guys. I'm here guys. In the table, I finished eating my lunch here, and I want to share with you what I'm drinking here. I drink hot vegetable alugbati and kamuti tops, boiled kamuti tops and alugbati. Hot water from the kamuti tops and alugbati. The color of this guys is violet color or red violet. So this is from the vegetables of alugbati or kamuti tops. So this guy. So before guys, we proceed to the next topic guys. I want you to thank you for your support, and I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I encourage you to subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated for every vlogs that I make. So thank you so much guys for your support and love. And here guys, I finished my lunch. I continue drinking my hot boiled kamuti tops or alugbati. So thank you guys, and God bless. Don't forget to subscribe in every vlogs that I make. Subscribe to my channel, especially on my short vlogs. So thank you and God bless.